What is up everyone, PWG here, and I'm back with another video. And as you see, the camera's on a tripod, I'm not holding it in my hand, and the reason for that is that this part right here is the only part of my apartment that is not hit by a bombshell. It just looks completely dirty all over the place. I've had guests for the entire week, so this place looks like it needs some trained professionals to clean this place up. But that is not the topic of today, because we're going to talk about something that a lot of you guys have been asking about, and it is footballs. So as you know, it's quite an important tool for what I do. It's actually the most important tool for what I do, and that is why it's important for that tool to be of good quality. Throughout my 12 years of freestyle, I've predominantly used Adidas because they've consistently made good quality match balls for that period of time. So today I'm going to talk about a different ball, which is the Uhlsport Elysia Ligue 1 Conforama for the French Top Flight League. And I've been using this for about 2-3 weeks now. I've just started using it after Super Bowl because I was quite excited about the look of this ball. So let's leave this cramped up apartment and go to my favorite training spot. Okay guys, we are here at my favorite freestyle spot in the whole world. This is my second home. So let's talk about the Uhlsport Elysia for Ligue 1. I don't even know how many panels there are on this ball. That's how little research I made before I made this review, because I wanted to have a clean slate, no bias, no information about the ball, just purely my opinion. And that's probably why I'm blabbering and talking so much shit on this review, because you're just getting my unfiltered opinion about this ball. So let's start with the looks. It's got a little bit of pink, dark blue, kind of cyan magenta with a little bit of volt details. And I gotta say, when I first saw it, I was like, okay, I gotta try it out, but I don't really like the looks of it, but it has grown on me. It is a pretty good looking ball. And as for the panel shapes, which is a little bit different from most Adidas match balls, it's mostly comparable to the Adidas Kafusa, very, very soft and like cushioned panels, which I really, really like. It's a very uneven panel shape. I don't know what you call that. It looks like dog bones and then circles or wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Octagon is 8. I don't know what it's called. 5-tagon. Dog bones and 5 corners. It's not really a panel shape that I've seen before on many match balls, and it's really cool to try something like this out. I don't know if it made much difference with the actual panel shape, but the touch is just amazing. And as I said, it's comparable to the Kafusa, which, if you didn't know, is my favorite match ball in the whole world. So this puts the Uhlsport Elysia quite up high on my list. And when it comes to the dimples, I haven't seen any dimples like this before either. They're not really rugged, they're not sticking out too much, they're not in the way, they're not causing any troubles like, for example, the Champions League balls did. So the grip on this ball is actually really, really good, both for lowers and for blocks. And I mean, for uppers, I don't think it would make a difference at all. But I gotta say though, I'm really, really impressed with the Uhlsport Elysia. So now let's get into the spicy part of this review, the price point. So 160 euros retail price for an Uhlsport Elysia. And I gotta say, like, most match balls are over 100 euros anyway. So if you want quality in a match ball, you want to pay more than 100 euros. Unless you're lucky and you found something on eBay for like 50 euros, go buy it, by all means. But when it comes to the Uhlsport Elysia, I think you can find it down to 110, 120. If there wasn't an Uhlsport logo on this ball, I could have mistaken it for an Adidas match ball, and a good one at that as well. I would consider this one of the better balls that I've ever used in my freestyle career. So overall, this match ball is amazing. But if you really want to be different and you're willing to spend 160 euros on a match ball, the Uhlsport Elysia is the way to go. Because, I mean, I haven't seen many freestylers using this ball, so it's quite unique. And when you're at a meeting, you know which ball is yours because everyone else is freestyling with bazookas and Telstars anyway. So you're gonna stand out of the crowd with this match ball. And I'm really happy to see brands like Uhlsport really up their game when it comes to match balls. And I want to give it 8.5 out of 10 Lucasos. Hold up, stop the presses. I have to deduct 1 Lucaso because of what I found when I filmed the B-roll. What I found was this. The colors were wearing off already after only 3 weeks of use, and although it doesn't affect the performance of the ball, it still kind of sucks. So hope you guys enjoyed this totally unscientific review of the Uhlsport Elysia for League On. If you did, leave a thumbs up and a comment down below on what you want me to review next time. If you did like a review, I don't know, maybe this review was completely terrible, and if you did, leave a thumbs up anyway. So with that said, subscribe with bell notifications on. I will see you guys next time.